All right, guys, it's your boy Ken and Corey, man. Appreciate you guys tuning in to Corey's Car Life. And today I want to show you something that's dope because I really hate the cold. I ain't gonna lie, I hate it. And that is how to remote start your Honda Civic. So basically, this is gonna be a quick little tutorial. And I'm pretty sure that if you bought this car, somebody probably told you at the dealership how to do this. But just in case you forgot, this is how you do it. First thing you want to do is you want to hit the lock button. When you see that flash, then you want to double tap and hold on the second tap until you see that little light flash, and boom, your car gonna start up that easy, baby. You feel me? It's just like that, man. It's so cold. I got tears coming down my face, man. I hate that. Now here's another important thing about this though. Once you remote start your car and you get inside, let me go ahead and get inside. You are not going to be able to just, put your car into a different gear and just start driving. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hold down the brake and hit the start button at the same time so you could be able to start driving. As a matter of fact, you can even see my engine lights starting to blink because it's letting me know to hold down my foot on the brake. Foot's on the brake, probably can't see it. And then I hit this button right here. And now the car is actually on, because it was kind of like a temporary on stage before we even got to this place. And someone is texting me over and over and over again while I'm trying to make a tutorial. All right, guys, appreciate you guys tuning into Corey's Car Life. I'm about to head to the gym, and then later on I'm about to make a video for my photography channel about the DJI pocket camera, which is a pretty dope camera. So if you guys are also interested into camera life and camera things like that, go ahead and go over to my Corey Lanier channel, and I'm about to drop some new content today too. All right, guys, see you guys later on in the next video. Peace.